weep for Nigeria if you will get to the world level and see those who make decisions who you vote for. You will weep for Nigeria.
A counselor in Nigeria earns more money than a professor of medicine in Nigeria. It doesn't happen anywhere in the world.
Democracy is supposed to be government of the people, by the people, for the people. Not so for Nigeria. It is the government of the corrupt, by the corrupt, for the corrupt.
This is the only place in the world a lecturer is not paid, but then you hear that a House of Assembly member is buying cars and dancing to people, and they say he's doing well. Where did he get the money from?
They are the miserable, hungry, desperate, illiterate, ordinary people, mobilized there by the politicians and funded so that they can put their own people there.
Politics for public life is not about winning or losing election. That is for transactional politicians, which most of the politicians here are. For them, it's a business enterprise. So if you lose the election or you're not in position, your business is not doing well. That is not something for me.
No amount of English, no amount of protest, no amount of prayer, no amount of fasting will take Nigeria back from these evil and wicked politicians.
This is a new politics. We need somebody with capacity, competency, and somebody that can bring the country together. Our cohesion at its lowest, and somebody that will tackle the economy.
Can I say this to you? There are credible Nigerians.
I want to serve Nigeria.
There are brilliant Nigerians.
I play politics differently. For me, politics is not a war, it's a relationship.
There are protected Nigerians.
I want to serve Nigeria.
There are Nigerians that can fix this nation.
I want to serve Nigeria.
There are Nigerians that will not steal.
I want to serve Nigeria.
There are Nigerians that are God-fearing.
If you look at my life between the time I was in office and today, you can't see any difference. I'm saying,
register and have your INEC card. Have your voter's card. This is my own INEC card. Now the question is, after your voter's card has been secured, who will you vote for?
His Excellency Peter Obi.